In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Shopee app. Now tap on your profile. So this is the at the bottom right corner of the screen, the Me icon. Now from here in the My Wallet section, simply click on My Vouchers. So here in my vouchers, so if in any case you're trying to use a voucher and it says that promotion cannot be redeemed, it means that you did not follow the instructions or the guideline of the voucher. So let's say you want to use this voucher, this Shopee voucher. Let's just say this voucher. So you can only use this voucher if you have spent a minimum of 249 pesos. So if your item does not exceed that specific amount, you will not be able to use this voucher. And you'll see a message that says promotion cannot be redeemed. So just follow this minimum spend and also the valid till date. So if the date is invalid already, you may not be able to use this voucher. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.